Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike. That table, ugh. That drink and the lens covers. We gotta move this. Get away from my video. Hold on a second here. We got it. There we go. Get that. Okay. Hey, how you doing? This is Mike, Garage Door Mike. No table in the way. Okay, anyway. Sandstone, long panel ranch, insulated top glass. Yes, my back hurts. Door was a nightmare. The tear out was a 5-section high Crawford with glass that some bozo converted torsion. He did that all wrong, and it took like an hour and 25 minutes to rip the door out. Complete nightmare. This one's a little trick install, and we're going to show you what we did. I'll show you the long panels. It's a rain slope groove Horman 421-inch panel, so they all got the pencil line. Okay, even a glass. Nice new weather seals. Seals up tight, up top. Okay. All the way down. Seals good, right? Got a 3.5-inch bottom rubber. And this one here, we had a door, entry door going into the house right in the way. So what they did on the old doors, they put in like an 8-foot track. It worked like dog. Bent the tracks down, just nightmare. So you can see how this one goes up a little slower. That's because we put in a 32-inch radius. There should be above the opening, nice. Okay, 32s, just beautiful. Goes right over that door jamb. I'm 6 foot, and I'm at least 2 feet away from that. Reaching up there, you just can't get it. We do put our 13-ball zinc nylon wheel at the top. That's to carry the weight of that insulated glass panel. Okay. Old Crawford hangs, you could see the little spacer they used. On this side, the track was all wampus, so we had to just use a regular piece of angle, and then we used our black angle. And punch it down. 11 gauge hardware, the best, pinch resistant. I might have to take a minute here for the camera to readjust. I don't know if it's going to or not. We'll just wait a second or two here and we'll see. There we go. You got the high cycle springs up there, and we did have to put in a new spring pad because the old one was cracked. So got 2 mollies into the concrete, one there, angle mount down there, angle up top there, opener, takes a couple arms, couple straight arms, and bolt it up, and there's the warning tag. And there's the door. 32-inch radius, sandstone with a top insulated window, innovative door, 632-719-343. Door over the doorway jamb with a 32-inch radius. Call us for all your needs, 632-719-343. Thank you for watching our video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our